If you've been searching for a fifth wheel that perfectly balances residential comfort, smart storage, and full-time living potential, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. There's a reason this style of rear living room fifth wheel remains one of the most popular floor plans in America. And once you see everything packed into this RV, you'll understand why. From the spacious interior to the impressive storage and thoughtful design details, this one checks a lot of boxes. So let's not waste any time. Welcome back to RVenture Life, and let's take a full tour. Before we step inside, let's start with the exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the full-profile front cap. This design not only gives the RV a more premium appearance, but also creates additional interior volume. That extra height translates into more bedroom space, additional storage, and a more open overall feel throughout the coach. As you move around the front section, you'll notice the clean lines, modern graphics, and integrated lighting accents that give this fifth wheel a polished look. It's the kind of RV that stands out whether you're parked at a campground or rolling down the highway. Another thing worth mentioning is the overall size. This RV provides the spacious feeling many full-time travelers want, while still remaining manageable for a properly equipped tow vehicle. It's large enough to live comfortably, but not so large that it limits where you can travel. At the entry door, you'll find several thoughtful features. The friction hinge door helps prevent the door from slamming shut during windy conditions. There's also a screen-protected entrance and a sturdy grab handle that makes entering and exiting much easier. The upgraded step system feels solid underfoot and is incredibly easy to operate. It's one of those little details that improves your experience every single day. Now let's head inside. Immediately upon entering, you're greeted by a spacious rear living area that feels warm, welcoming, and residential. The interior design blends modern styling with traditional comfort. Soft gray tones are paired with warm accents, creating a space that feels bright without feeling cold. One thing you'll notice right away is how open everything feels. Many fifth wheels use a similar rear living floor plan, but the extra space here makes a noticeable difference. Walking through the living room and kitchen feels comfortable and unrestricted. The lighting fixtures add a modern touch throughout the interior. Combined with the large windows and bright decor, they help create an upscale atmosphere. The craftsmanship is also easy to spot. Solid surface countertops, durable cabinet construction, and quality finishes give this RV a premium feel from the moment you step inside. Now, let's take a closer look at the kitchen. The large center island serves as the heart of the entire living space. The sink is positioned near the center of the island, giving you usable countertop space on both sides. That may sound like a small detail, but it makes meal preparation much more convenient. The stove is positioned slightly off-center, which creates additional prep space where you'll use it most. Whether you're cooking breakfast, preparing dinner, or simply making coffee in the morning, there's plenty of room to work. Above the cooking area, you'll find a residential-style microwave, while below and around the kitchen you'll discover extensive storage options. The refrigerator and freezer are arranged in a residential side-by-side style, making it easy to organize groceries for extended trips. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, you'll have plenty of food storage available. Additional counter space throughout the kitchen allows room for coffee makers, air fryers, slow cookers, or other small appliances that many RV owners like to travel with. Storage is one of the biggest strengths of this RV. The drawers are built to handle real-world use, with sturdy construction and additional support underneath. Deep drawers make organizing cookware, utensils, and kitchen essentials simple and efficient. There are also multiple cabinets and hidden storage areas throughout the kitchen, giving you flexibility to store everything from pantry items to cleaning supplies. Now, let's move over to the dining and seating area. One of the reasons this floor plan is so popular is because of the huge campsite side windows. Instead of placing the kitchen against this wall, the designers dedicated this area to seating. That means you get panoramic views of your campsite while relaxing inside. The windows open for ventilation and include screens to keep bugs out. Privacy shades provide additional insulation while helping control light and temperature. The dining area is both functional and versatile. The table design allows for comfortable meals while also providing flexibility for work or other activities. It's easy to imagine using this space as a mobile office during the day and a dining area in the evening. The seating arrangement continues to impress. Directly across from the entertainment center are comfortable theater recliners. The positioning is perfect for movie nights, and the center armrest can be folded away, creating a more open seating experience. Behind the recliners sits a large sofa that easily converts into additional sleeping space for guests. Storage compartments surrounding the sofa provide even more room for personal belongings. Across from the seating area is the entertainment center. The television is positioned for easy viewing, while the fireplace below adds both style and functionality. On cooler evenings, the electric fireplace provides supplemental heat and creates a cozy atmosphere. Storage continues to be a major theme here. Large drawers, overhead cabinets, and additional compartments help maximize every inch of available space. Nearby, you'll find a spacious pantry featuring adjustable shelving. The pantry provides plenty of room for dry goods, snacks, and kitchen supplies, making long-term travel much easier. Now, let's head upstairs and check out the bathroom. The bathroom immediately stands out thanks to its seamless sink and countertop design. Not only does it look modern and upscale, but it also eliminates areas where water could potentially collect over time. The vanity offers useful storage, while the medicine cabinet provides convenient access to everyday items. The toilet area includes additional storage nearby, ensuring that essentials remain within easy reach. There's also ventilation overhead to help maintain airflow and comfort. The shower is another highlight. Inside, you'll find a molded fiberglass shower with an integrated seat. The one-piece construction is durable and easy to maintain. The shower offers respectable headroom for taller campers, while the textured glass door adds a premium residential appearance. Overall, the bathroom strikes an excellent balance between style and practicality. Moving into the bedroom, you'll immediately notice the king-size bed. This east-to-west bed layout creates a comfortable sleeping environment, while still leaving room for storage throughout the bedroom. Large windows allow natural light inside, while blackout shades help create a darker sleeping environment when needed. Modern lighting fixtures above the bed add a stylish touch, and bedside storage areas provide space for phones, books, and other personal items. The bedroom ceiling height feels comfortable, helping prevent the space from feeling cramped. One feature many RV shoppers appreciate is the full-length mirror. It's a simple addition, but one that adds everyday convenience. Storage once again shines in this area. Multiple wardrobes, shelves, drawers, and cabinets provide room for clothing and personal belongings. There is also dedicated space that can accommodate washer and dryer options, making this RV even more appealing for extended travel or full-time living. Climate control is handled by a dedicated second air conditioner in the bedroom, while the ducted system helps distribute cooling throughout the coach. Another interesting design choice is the placement of the bedroom TV location. Rather than mounting it high overhead, it's positioned closer to eye level, creating a more comfortable viewing experience from bed. Now, let's step back outside and finish up with some exterior features. Underneath the RV, you'll find a fully enclosed underbelly designed to improve protection and seasonal capability. Heated tank features help extend camping opportunities during colder weather. The suspension system is designed to improve towing comfort and road performance, while the anti-lock braking system adds an additional layer of safety. A solar package on the roof helps support off-grid adventures, and dual air conditioners provide cooling performance during hot summer travels. Tow-ready features include a rear receiver hitch that can be used for accessories or additional towing applications. The water management area is organized and user-friendly, simplifying setup at the campground. Water filtration components and protected plumbing systems further enhance long-term usability. Let us know what you think about this one down in the comments. And if you enjoy detailed RV tours just like this, make sure you subscribe to RVenture Life for more amazing RV walkthroughs, camping inspiration, and the latest RV discoveries from across America. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.